On Saturday, MCC conference program of IPFT was organized at Saheed Bhagat Singh Youth Hostel. IPFT President Prem Kumar Riyak inaugurated the event by lighting a candle. IPFT GS Swapan Debarma, IPFT AGS Minister Shukla Charan Nawatia, Vice President Krishna Kanta Jamatia and Dhiren Debarma were present.
IPFT long live, long live, long live. IPFT long live, long live, long live. IPFT long live, long live, long live.
On this day, the present guests were firstly welcomed by giving a risa and later started the program by lighting a candle. The present guests also delivered their speech in the program.
राज्य सम्मेलन आप प्रत्येक वर्ष त्रितंग पार्टी बर्तमान परिस्थिति कर्मसूची सांगठनिक कौरव विश्लेषण आइनो कार्य हाम्रो कौरव स्पेशली संगठन पार्टी राज्य सम्मेलन सम्मेलन संचालन आगे 2 दिन समय प्रश्न 3 1 day MCC conference.
The conference attended were Minister Shukla Charan Nawatia, Vice President Krishna Kanta Jamatia, Dhiren Debarma, IPFT President Prem Kumar Riyak, GS Swapan Debarma, Block Chairman Sunil Debarma and others. Reported by Amit from Bhagat, Chini, Khorang.